Prayer for the galactic grandmothers of Mu and the new Lemuria. Divine grandmothers of Mu, ancient keepers of wisdom, we call upon your sacred presence, your love woven through time and tides, guardians of the crystal temples, voices of the living waters. Bless us with your luminous grace, your songs of remembrance. May your wisdom awaken within us, rekindling the sacred codes of peace, unity, and harmony. Guide us to walk the path of the new Lemuria, where the earth and stars dance as one, and the heart of humanity beats in rhythm with the cosmos. We honor your light, your love, your legacy. May we stand as vessels of your truth, anchoring the golden frequencies of renewal and rebirth, of our new 5D golden age of heaven on earth. Aho! So it is, and so it shall be.